Hello everyone, I'm Lucky from Master Transportation Bus Manufacturing. Today, I'm going to give you a brief introduction of Master Electric Bus. The first one is our group introduction. Master was founded in 2003, manufactured over 6,000 units of buses. And in this year, Master is selected as Taiwan e-bus representative by Taiwan government. There is also a fleet operator inside our group, which has over 70 years experience and over 1,200 scheduled buses running nowadays. Besides manufacturer and operator, we have two individual companies which provide bus maintenance and parts supply services. With all the strengths of our group, we believe we can provide a total solution of transportation for overseas market. Our three models of low-floor e-bus have been launched in 2020, and by the end of this year, there will be two types of e-coach and e-intercity bus launched. In the next year, we are planning to design a e-mobility around 7 meters, with all the types above, including right-hand and left-hand drive. Master e-bus could meet with 200 to 300,000 buses' global needs. To fulfill the global need mentioned above, Master is planning to build up a Taiwan e-mobility industrial park, which aims to be a global e-bus supply chain and provide 10,000 units knockdown parts every year to all over the world. Master e-bus is designed in Taiwan, made in Taiwan, and a Taiwan brand. It equipped with the Surface battery, LTO battery from Japan, and our motor is optional, in-wheel motor from Germany or central motor from Taiwan. Instead of traditional slow charging system, Master designed our bus with fast charging concept, and I'll later go into more detail of fast charging. The other important point is that when we design our e-bus, we kept collecting the requirement from the operator inside our group to make sure the e-bus we design satisfy the market. Our fast charging concept is that we believe in the near future, all gas stations will transfer into charging stations, and by that time, there will be no slow charging EV on the road. Imagine going to the gas station and it took 5 hours to refuel your car. That's the reason why we design our e-bus with fast charging system. And why we call ourselves the best charging solution for urban area. Because there is no enough place to build one charger for one unit of slow charging bus. The transformation from gas station to charging station is the only solution. This is the competitive analysis among Master, Mercedes-Benz, and China BYD. The battery capacity of BYD is 3 times larger than us, but our daily endurance is more than 300 kilometers, which is more than BYD, and that's the advantage of fast charging. The main purpose of our e-bus is to meet our operators' need of daily endurance 500 to 800 kilometers. And with slow charging system, there won't be any chance to fit this need. Our e-bus is now operating in Chiayi City and New Taipei City in Taiwan. We're also connecting and discussing the cooperative models with United States, Saudi Arabia, India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Japan, and the Philippines. Besides the bus sales, we can provide package planned export to overseas partners. The business model includes 3 stages. The first and second one focus on complete vehicle export for test operation to collect the raw data. And after that, we modify the buses according to local environment and road conditions. In the last stage, Master will set up a joint venture assembly plant with local partner to build up a localized e-bus industrial chain. And that's all for today's introduction. Thank you very much. And if there is any further question, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Stephen Deng, Manager of the Automotive Research and Testing Center. Today, I'm very happy to show you ARTC's latest autonomous driving minibus platform, the Wing Bus. ARTC was founded in 1990. We are located in Zhonghua Coastal Industrial Park with 129 hectares of land. Currently, we have 440 colleagues working together, running 12 advanced laboratories, which have 12 test tracks inside the proving ground. Our business focus are R&D in technology, drafting government policies, testing service, and global homologation. Our vehicle engineering and testing service covers everything from whole vehicles to components, from design to testing and certification. Most of our laboratories have received approval from automakers like the US Big Three, Harley-Davidson, and Jaguar Land Rover. We also have strong connections with global certification authorities such as UTAC France, IDIADA Spain, Taiwan Germany, or GSO Middle East. Taiwan used to be a big player in the global auto parts, systems, and electronics supply chain. When it comes to autonomous technology development, we need a vehicle platform for Taiwanese suppliers, carrying out real trials and gaining valuable data. So under the support of the Department of Industry Technology, Ministry of Economic Affairs, ARTC has highly integrated Taiwanese auto parts, electronics supply chain, and successfully linked the in-vehicle network with our own software algorithm design, resulting in the WinBus platform. We use radar, LiDAR, and camera sensors to carry out the perception, together with a positioning system. These are integrated to carry out decision-making and control the vehicle as we want. WinBus thus achieves SAE level for autonomy, with a maximum of 15 passengers and a moderate vehicle size. WinBus prides itself on being one of the best solutions for the last mile of transportation. Before the on-road test, we use the pre-scan system to perform a variety of system simulations, which include model in the loop, hardware in the loop, and the vehicle in the loop. For the upcoming sandbox experiment in the Coastal Industrial Park, we have developed over 350 possible road scenarios in pre-scan and have simulated a system response to ensure it runs safely. During the simulation process, we test the WinBus concurrently in the ARTC field and the proving ground to ensure that the system integration and software algorithm were in perfect condition. Then we successfully ran the WinBus in the Salon test field using specific road scenarios and got a test report. As a result, we can finally apply for the government sandbox on-road test run. In August 2019, WinBus was unveiled by the Minister of Economic Affairs and the VIP partners of ARTC. This presentation and its rapid development received a big focus in the media and lots of public attention. It was a big milestone for Taiwan's autonomous driving technology. In July 2020, ARTC, Chimei Technology, and Zhonghua Telecom proposed Taiwan's first autonomous vehicle sandbox operation proposal and got government's approval. The WinBus is running now in the industrial park to evaluate the autonomous shuttle service proof of concept and the proof of service. To extend WinBus operation field, we have begun talks with the local government and the travel agent to see if there's any possibility of running the WinBus in a scenic area. In developing automotive-related technologies, ARTC continues to work together with global research institutes and academia. Thanks also to our government for supporting ARTC research projects and the efforts of our industry partners while working with us in technology development. We are almost there, reaching the era of intelligent driving. Many thanks for your listening.
Hello everyone, we are Tong Energy. We focus on smart and cost-effective total electric bus solutions. Our solutions include electric buses, electric rolling chassis, electric powertrain, electric vans, battery packs, energy storage systems, and electric autonomous buses. Our business started in 2011, and since then we have been providing solutions from lithium-ion battery materials to battery packs and electric buses ranging from 4 meter, 6 meter, 8-meter to 12-meter buses. We also have autonomous bus technology, electric torque charters. By Tron-e, our biggest advantage is that we are the first company to develop the patent liquid cooling battery pack system. Everybody knows about Tesla, but few know their original R&D team was in Taiwan. Due to the local content requirements, the department moved back to the USA. Some of the members in Taiwan joined Tron-e and developed the world's first liquid cooling battery pack system for electric bus, which prolongs the battery lifespan and creates better energy efficiency. Currently in Taiwan, no one can supply the liquid cooling battery pack system except us. Furthermore, we have innovative autonomous technology with proven power runs of 6 buses in Taiwan. Tron Electric Bus is designed with fleet management system for real-time monitoring battery status and big data collection to provide preventive maintenance. That's why our team can offer timely after-sales service for our customers, which contribute to higher availability of our buses compared to others. In 2018, we jumped to #1 market share in Taiwan. Currently, Tron-e bus has accumulated a total mileage of over 12 million kilometers in the market. Our liquid cooling battery system converts to the European standard and is designed with thermal management system which realizes best energy lifespan. It can support a wide range of capacity of chargers with fast charging time. The permanent magnet multi-phase motor also complies with the European standard and has a direct drive mechanism without a gearbox, which eliminates gear losses. It supports dual CAN bus and 32-bit processor equipped with an auto-hold system and a power management function for regenerating to reduce energy consumption. We also offer drive-by-wire electric bus solution for local AV platform integration. In 2018, we were the first company to power run in Taoyuan Agricultural Export Shuttle with more than 4,000 passengers. In 2019, we cooperate with Taoyuan City Metro and Libao Resort for the autonomous shuttle power runs. We have the biggest milestone in 2020 to become the first company to power run an autonomous vehicle in an open area near Taipei 101. This is not easy at all, as the traffic in downtown Taipei is really heavy, which needed lots of simulation to secure the safety. Our team has development know-how on charging system management, battery management system, battery system packing, cell safety device, thermal management, and also the 3D road condition assistance system. All are patented in Taiwan now. Until now, more than 150 Tron buses are running in Taiwan. It is predicted the quantity will up to 300 buses in the end of this year. Not only focused in Taiwan, but also in Southern Asia, we offered customized right-hand drive electric buses based on various local regulation demands. In Singapore, we have branches for in-town service. In India, we established battery pack and e-bus assembly plants for local tenders. In Thailand, we work with local companies to develop 2- and 3-wheel electric vehicle powertrain solution. In Indonesia, we cooperate with state-owned companies to offer customized electric bus rolling chassis, which already power ran in Jakarta, Surabaya, and Bali. With the highest energy efficiency, the longest battery life, and the reliable availability record, we firmly believe that Tron's electric rolling chassis solution can create more possibility for your business in upcoming zero-emission transportation era.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining here to see my introduction. My name is Hubert Liu. In this presentation, I would like to talk about the EV bus which be made by Tong Motor. Before I begin, I would like to give everyone an overview of my presentation. First off, I will talk about the EV bus solution in Taiwan. Lastly, I would like to move on to our company main service. In Taiwan market, our main EV product is 8.5 line EV bus. This product line has super fast charging system and the 2C charging system. EV bus with super fast charging system can charge from SOC 20% to 80% just 5 minutes, and the single trip mileage can reach 100 km for each charge. EV bus with 2C charging system can reach to 150 km per charge and just need 1 hour can full charge. Secondly, this EV bus with low floor design and the entrance lower than 300 mm and available 80 seats and 10 standard positions. Also include priority and the disability zone. Our 8.5 line is designed for city use. It has a very short length and just 4.7 meter wheelbase, very suitable for use in crowded urban areas. It can carry a large amount of passengers during peak hours, and it can reduce energy consumption during off-peak hours. This product line can drive 1.2 to 1.5 km, just use 1 kWh. In Taiwan, our electricity price is $0.1 to $0.2 for each kWh. Moreover, electric vehicle does not need to replace consumables such as oil. This means that compared with traditional diesel vehicle, it can save about $0.3 to $0.5 per kilometer. This will bring great benefit to customers after long-term operation. Up to now, this product line has compliance rate of more than 99.8% and has more than 50 million miles and more than 4 years of practical experience. After 4 years of use, the battery system health level measured by the laboratories has reached more than 97%. This means that this product line has a very great reliability and service life. After you have listened to my above introduction, I believe you will be very interested in our company. Tong Motor was founded in 2003. Many produce body products related to commercial vehicle and established Jama Motor in 2007. Tong is the largest bus manufacturer in Taiwan currently. Many production the commercial vehicle and the vehicle components. Since the establishment of the company, many with the diesel vehicle business. In response to serious pollution problem, the new energy department was established in 2014 and built an automatic product line in 2017. Tong's customer has been all over the Taiwan and Asia. Our product include truck, trailer, coach, intercity bus, city bus, and the EV bus. We have the most commercial vehicle service in Taiwan, including import and export commercial vehicle body, chassis, and auto parts, as well as chassis assembly, vehicle assembly, and the vehicle after-service system. Also, We have the most commercial vehicle brand agent in Taiwan, including Italia, Iveco, Nearland Dart, and the Keynote. I'm Hubert Lee. Thanks for your attention.
Hi everyone, I'm Bibiana. I work as sales at Phihong. Today I'm going to introduce my company Phihong and our EV product to all of you. Let's go straight to the topic. Phihong Technology has been in business for nearly 15 years. We are an ODM company specialized in providing power supply related products, and we had extended our product into electric vehicle chargers around 8 years ago. In view of EV trend, we start to produce our charger in 2013 and start our business in China since it was the biggest market at that time. After a few years, now we already installed our charger at Europe, China, Taiwan, America, and also under discussion with our customer to promote Phihong chargers to different areas, including South, North Asia, the Middle East, New Zealand, Australia, and so on. Here is our global resource. Our headquarters is located in Taiwan, and all RD resource, including AC and DC RD team, are all based in Taiwan too. For the production line, we set our production plants in China, Vietnam, Taiwan to meet the increasing demand. And for the market, we have our branch office and the local sales in USA, Europe, Taiwan, China, Vietnam, and Japan to provide the timely service in local market. And here is our production plans photo for everyone's reference. EV era is coming. Few years ago, Phihong had already joined these 3 important EV alliance, including CHAdeMO, CHAin, and OCPP, to get the latest EV info and implement it into our EV chargers. And Phihong had already developed a highly efficiency EV chargers, including 60 amp to 80 amp level 2 AC charger and the 30 kilowatt to 360 kilowatt level 3 DC charger and the charging module with different type for different application. All of our chargers already get the CE and the UL certifications. Now let me give you a brief introduction of each EV products. This one is our 60 amp portable EV charger. It is suitable for selling at a retail store or as an accessory with an e-car. And this one is our 32 amp 7 kilowatt AW AC chargers. It comes with 4 types and it can be used at the residential and the commercial market. And this one is the 32 amp 7 kilowatt H series AC charger. And this one comes with a 5-inch LCD display, which can let our customer to show the EV charger info on the screen, and it is more suitable for the commercial environment. And final, this is our 3-phase AC charger. It can support 32 amp and 63 amp current. The total power of this product can be 44 kilowatt to 87 kilowatt with a dual type 2 AC charger. For DC charger, this one DW series 30 kilowatt charger can be used for a parking lot or a shopping mall. And this one 30 kilowatt movable charger, users don't need to do any infrastructure work. Only an AC input connection is enough. So for user, it is more flexible. And mostly it can be used at the fleet application or car dealer shop. And now this is our standalone type DC charger. It can be 60 kilowatt to 180 kilowatt. For the initial setting, customer can choose 120 kilowatt and be upgraded to 180 kilowatt per layer requirement. So it is more flexible for the user. And the next is our 360 discrete type DC charger. This one is highly efficiency. It comes with a liquid cooling gun which supports 500 amp. It means it can provide the maximum power for different electric vehicle cars. And all of our chargers support OCPP feature, so it can be integrated with different operation systems, and it can realize the remote control, remote monitor, data collection, and so on, make the charger more intelligent for the user. And now, this is our EV performance. We already installed 60 kW and 360 kW in front of our headquarters. The e-car on the photo is Tesla, Taycan, and the Audi e-tron. Besides, we work with automotive companies in Taiwan like Charger, Audi, and so on to provide them AC and DC chargers. And in Taiwan, we also have 90% e-bus business market share. We are not only provide our charger to those bus companies, but we also provide the EV total solution. We also work with the government, join the tender to provide friendly e-charging environment in Taiwan. For overseas market, we work with the local CPO and the e-bus company in Europe. We set out the AC charger and the DC charger there. In America, our branch office also work with the customer to promote our charger 4 to 5-star well-known hotel. And in China, we set out lots of the AC and the DC charger there. So in the end, I believe all of you already see there are huge upside demands around the world. So no matter you are the new player or you are already in this EV industry, as long as you are very interested in our EV products, please don't hesitate to contact with us. No matter by email or by a call, we are already assisting with you. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Jason, and I'm the Marketing PM at KS Terminals Incorporated, which I will refer to as KST from here on in. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing you to KST, which is a global leading manufacturer of electrical terminals, connectors, cable management products, as well as EV charging solutions. Through the years, KST has grown and prospered. Once a small family business, today, KST is now a publicly traded company on the Taiwan Stock Exchange and has nearly 1,000 employees. KST headquarters is in Changhua, Taiwan, and has 2 factories here. KST is ISO System Management certified and is proud to maintain a fully certified ISO IEC 17025 laboratory. KST has maintained a certified UL independent testing lab since 2008. China manufacturing facilities in Suzhou also maintain a full portfolio of CNC machines with approximately 300 employees. Products made in China are generally made CQC certified for domestic use and distribution. In addition to manufacturing facilities in Taiwan and China, KST maintains warehouses and sales offices in the United States, Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand, and exports products to 150 countries around the world. At KST, product innovation is in our DNA. We have fully equipped CNC workshop as well as R&D personnel and engineers that are eager to develop new products. We have the resources, both people and machines, to work with you to develop your designs. Electrical connector solutions must combine durability, reliability, performance, and support emerging technologies. They must be easy to assemble, install, have small and lightweight enclosures. KST has been developing terminals and connectors for many different industries for decades. We welcome the opportunity to provide our products for use within an electric bus platform. For your reference, we have the following to offer. 1. Full range of EV charging solutions. 2. A series of connectors for use with electric air compressor and auxiliary systems. 3. Bus bars for use with the battery cell. 4. Battery connectors or battery module connectors or BMCs. 5. Electrical connectors for use with data communication devices, including infotainment and ADAS systems. 6. Powertrain motor assembly connectors. 7. Sealed and unsealed connectors for internal, external, LED light applications. And lastly, 8A and B copper lugs and rings for use within the battery management system, as well as the power train motor controllers. KST has designed and manufactured a complete series of AC-DC charging solutions for residential, industrial, and commercial charging station scenarios. KST is IATF 16949 compliant. For almost 10 years, KST has been making innovative EV charging solutions. As you can see, our UL certified products for the United States include Type 1 and CCS1 interfaces. KST is proud to present our latest product, the CCS1 DC EV rapid charging gun, UL pending. We have developed a full range of TÜV certified EV charging guns, sockets, and inlets for European markets. Through years, we have made innovative inroads, making from a seamed two-mold design to our current rugged ergonomic unibody designs. Our TÜV certified EV charging products include Type 1, 2, and soon CCS2 interfaces for DC rapid charging. For China, we have 3 EV charging guns. The first 2 meet slow charging requirements. Our most recent product is the GB interface for DC rapid charging. Electric air compressor connectors. We have a complete line of wire-to-wire, wire-to-board sealed connector, suitable for use with electric air compressors, drivetrain cooling systems, CO2 air conditioning, and heat pump systems, as well as battery cooling systems. Battery cell bus bars. We welcome OEM opportunities. KST R&D product managers and engineers look forward to working collaboratively with customers on their original bus bar designs. In order to connect a battery to a vehicle, a battery module connector, or BMC, is required. Mated sealed BMC connectors feature a rugged one-piece plastic housing that uses a seal and dual latches to ensure contact even under wet and bumpy road conditions. Each family size is color-coded using a mechanical pokeyoke to prevent mismatching devices with different voltages. On-board data communication devices, including infotainment and ADAS, all require electrical connectors. At KST, we design and manufacture a huge range of electrical connectors that are engineered for reliability and undergo a battery of tests to ensure transmission of data, power, and signal under extreme conditions. Across our portfolio of connectors, we offer robust solutions for ensuring connectivity in critical systems. LED light connectors. KST manufactures a complete line of wire-to-wire LED light connectors suitable for interior lighting, exterior lighting, rear lights, and headlights that support, for instance, sensor-enabled LED technology that can detect lighting and weather conditions. Given time constraints, this concludes my KST presentation for the EV bus platform. If you require more information, I encourage you to contact us at exp@ksterminals.com.tw for more information. Connect with us. Connect to the future.
Good day, my name is Ming. It's a great honor to represent Advantech and introduce intelligent bus and fleet management to you today. I'm the product sales manager for the Intelligent Mobile Solution team. Our focus is on fleet management and public transportation under Advantech service IoT sector. Today, I'll begin by discussing the trends driving the transportation market, including some of our success stories, such as our recent electrical bus project with Ying Group. By the end of today, I hope that you will have a sound understanding of how those technology function in our daily travel and enhance road safety. Electrical vehicles, of course, are one of the important trends driving the transportation market, largely thanks to Tesla. The use of pure electrical bus without petrol is better for the environment and will provide our children with a better future. 5G, HII permit rapid data transfer and guided data analytics to enhance road safety. DSRC, V2X, and V2X-C allow vehicles to communicate with one another as well as with any public transportation device. The link and CAN interface can read the road data of a vehicle. Thus, an important current trend is ITXPT, enable an open architecture, data accessibility, and interoperability between IT systems on vehicle. Lastly, providing a better customer experience is about enriching their traveling experience. Those information systems and Wi-Fi hotspots are widely deployed in all kinds of public transport. Along with digital advertisement, overloads also help bus operators increase their income. In light of those trends, large amount of several types of data, such as the number of passengers, real-time traffic information, vehicle routes, and vehicle speed, are continuously collected. With the recent COVID-19 pandemic, crowd control, temperature data are becoming increasingly important too. Those big data now are used to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of fleet management solutions. Advantech has been working in public transport for decades, and we have been providing our fleet management solutions to various regions worldwide, including Latin America, Taiwan, Europe, and Asia. We are thus one of the major players in the public transportation market. It's my honor to reveal that Advantech partnered with VinBus this year to deploy the electrical bus project in Vietnam. Here's a video.
Thế giới luôn có những kỳ tích. Từ hành trình tiên phong mở lối đến tầm vóc rạng danh thế giới. Từ Technocom, niềm tự hào của người Việt nơi trời Âu, đến Vingroup, top 10 doanh nghiệp dẫn đầu nền kinh tế. Bằng khát vọng cùng cách làm khác biệt, với quyết tâm và hành động quyết liệt, Vingroup tiếp tục vươn tới những kỳ tích mới, ghi dấu mốc tự hào trên hành trình vươn tầm thế giới. Từ năm 2018, Vingroup đã quyết liệt tái cấu trúc và định hình lại các mảng hoạt động cốt lõi để trở thành tập đoàn công nghệ đẳng cấp quốc tế. 3 trụ cột: công nghệ, công nghiệp và thương mại dịch vụ tạo nên thế chân kiềng vững chắc, trở thành nền tảng cho sự phát triển bền vững của tập đoàn Vingroup. Vingroup, tiên phong mở lối.
Được thành lập từ tháng 5 năm 2019 và tự hào là đơn vị tiên phong tại Việt Nam hoạt động theo mô hình phi lợi nhuận. VinBus cung cấp dịch vụ vận tải hành khách công cộng bằng phương tiện không phát thải, thân thiện với môi trường. Chúng tôi mong muốn sẽ góp phần thay đổi và diện mạo của lĩnh vực giao thông công cộng tại Việt Nam, xây dựng một Việt Nam phát triển xanh, bền vững trong tương lai. Cụ thể, chúng tôi sẽ đưa vào vận hành hệ thống xe buýt điện do chính công ty VinFast sản xuất theo mô hình tiêu chuẩn của châu Âu, với dịch vụ tiện nghi, an toàn và thái độ phục vụ thân thiện. Chúng tôi sẽ mang tới cho khách hàng những trải nghiệm hoàn toàn mới để ngày càng có nhiều người dân chuyển sang sử dụng xe buýt, từ đó giảm đáng kể ô nhiễm khí thải và tiếng ồn cho các đô thị. Khi mô hình vận tải khách công cộng bằng xe buýt điện được phát triển tại các thành phố lớn như thành phố Hà Nội, thành phố Hồ Chí Minh và sớm nhân rộng ra các tỉnh thành khác, Việt Nam sẽ có thể sánh bước cùng các nước đang phát triển trong tiến trình phát triển bền vững, giảm khí thải nhà kính và giảm thiểu ô nhiễm môi trường. Để ngày càng có nhiều người Việt Nam được sử dụng phương tiện vận tải hành khách công cộng hiện đại với dịch vụ tiêu chuẩn cao. Ưu điểm của xe buýt điện là sử dụng năng lượng xanh là điện, một nguồn năng lượng tái tạo khi vận hành không phát thải ra khí CO2, khí nhà kính, bụi mịn và tiếng ồn, không gây ô nhiễm môi trường so với xe buýt sử dụng nhiên liệu hóa thạch. Theo Tổ chức Hợp tác Quốc tế của Đức GIZ, ước lượng khí thải từ phương tiện giao thông ở Việt Nam sẽ tăng lên tới 89,1 triệu tấn CO2 vào năm 2030, nên việc lựa chọn xe buýt điện là một trong những giải pháp để thực hiện được mục tiêu kép về giảm ùn tắc giao thông, đồng thời giảm phát thải khí CO2 theo cam kết của Việt Nam và thế giới. Với sứ mệnh của tập đoàn Vingroup, vì một cuộc sống tốt đẹp hơn cho người Việt, VinBus được thành lập để vận hành xe buýt điện nhằm gia tăng chất lượng của cuộc sống người dân và cải thiện tình trạng giao thông cũng như chất lượng ô nhiễm đô thị. Khi lựa chọn đối tác, chúng tôi luôn đặt chất lượng, hiệu quả lên hàng đầu. Tập đoàn Advantech là một trong những đối tác có uy tín, là nhà sản xuất máy tính công nghiệp số 1 toàn cầu và đứng thứ 23 thế giới về phát triển thiết bị Internet vạn vật IoT. Với hơn 30 năm kinh nghiệm trong việc phát triển các giải pháp quản lý vận hành, chúng tôi tin tưởng Advantech có khả năng cung cấp các giải pháp toàn diện cho việc quản lý vận hành hệ thống xe buýt điện của VinBus. Hai bên sẽ hợp tác phát triển các giải pháp công nghệ trên xe buýt điện như camera AI, giám sát hành vi lái xe nhằm phát hiện ra các hành vi buồn ngủ, mất tập trung để đưa ra cảnh báo kịp thời, Wi-Fi cho hành khách, màn hình, thiết bị giám sát hành trình, giám sát an ninh trong xe, phần mềm quản lý thông tin đội xe. Các giải pháp công nghệ IoT của Advantech hứa hẹn sẽ góp phần giúp cho xe buýt điện của VinBus vận hành an toàn, mang tới những trải nghiệm tiện nghi cho khách hàng.
Of the Vietnam VinBus CEO that in our yearly Advantech Partner Conference discussing the e-bus and the benefit it brings to Vietnam. This project has already been deployed and is undergoing heavy testing. It is set to be open to the public by July this year. As you can see, Advantech providing comprehensive IT solution from the OBO integration, fleet management, and safety, bus transfer, and work query. All of those fall under the scope of Advantech public transport servers. Aside from IT solution, from our years of experience with operating Columbia bus, we know business rule servers are important. We provide bus driving, log servers, time to arrival, and fleet safety management, which are essential for bus operators to run their business. This slide explains the features and functions that Advantech strives to provide. Fleet management is always the most basic function. The purpose of depot management is to ensure that all hardware is in good health. Vehicle scheduling and planning, passenger information, and reporting system, all of those we didn't build ourselves. We choose to work with our customers to have an open mind to listen to their issues and their problems. Till now, we finally can say we provide a complete eBus solution to our customers. All of those servers are provided in Advantech's eBus hardware solution package. We aim at providing a lasting, trusting, and reliable computing solutions. The basic ruggedized track solution with GPU module can work with our AI camera to aid safety of what you might know as ADAS. The link and key interface can permit communication and diagnostic vehicle in real time. Our passenger interaction package provides a passenger-friendly environment like digital signage for the advertisement, infotainment systems for video, and passenger information systems. The Wi-Fi hotspot keeps the mobile device of all passengers linked to the internet anywhere, anytime. For the Ring Group project, we run 100% purely electrical power bus. It's critically important to understand the factors that affect the battery system over a long period of operation. Other than basic information, our speed and distance, the weather, driver behavior, the number of passengers, and number of stops need to be constantly recorded and analyzed. At the end of the day, our goal is to optimize the algorithm by which the OBU system controls the electrical bus. To enhance safety, we provide front collision avoidance, driver behavior recognition, and blind spot detection for the front, rear, left, right side. After installation, our system will leave no spot is left behind outside. In the event of any abnormal behavior or dangerous situation, the system can help driver in real time or provide directions as the immediate action that need to be taken by the default safety protocol incorporated in the systems. In the video, you can see that the driver is using the phone while driving. Any action that distracts the driver is recorded. For example, dangerous driving behavior such as switching lane erratically and lack of awareness of surroundings while driving or parking. The blind spot on the right side is particularly dangerous because that's where the accident frequently happens. Our video AI also record and analyze the surrounding, including the traffic light, road sign, and the people on the road. This combined with the bus operation status provides such insight into driver behavior to the bus companies to improve the training of the driver to avoid future accidents. As I mentioned earlier, V2X taxi and 5G allow in-vehicle devices to communicate with each other. Fleet can be improved through information collected from roadside units. Those roadside units are equipped with intelligent sensor and camera. V2X or 5G communication can inform driver from miles away in real time what lies ahead on the road and promote a safer driving environment. To sum up, Advantech offers in-vehicle computing and fleet management with all of the bus-related solutions I mentioned previously. Roadside unit that prevent accident by giving driver early notice and environment sensing, which provide more detailed environmental data for more accurate data analytics. Together, this represents a robust eBus solution. I hope my representation today provides you with a better understanding of the eBus solution. Our goal is to develop those solutions globally to improve public transport, also our quality of life.
Hi everyone, I'm Kevin from Chimei Motor Electronics, Taiwan. We have strong and powerful ability of AI video recognition technology. For 15 years experience developing ADAS technology for sure handling algorithm and hardware design to provide effective information for individual alarm and system integration. From safety to eco, save lives and costs for wiser living. Now I want to grandly introduce our camera-based AI solution for blind spot information system. It aims to enhance your sensory abilities and provide necessary reminders. Why we need turning blind spot assistance system? There are lots of fatal areas design still exists on bus and truck, especially lateral blind spot when the vehicle is turning, as if we are real riders on the road. It's really dangerous. Also, many mirrors to assist the driver in mobility, but even to block the driver's side. Imagine, when you drive in the city, there's a complex information at an intersection. You may think, what is dangerous to me? What I should react when a risk occurs in any time? Please remember, still tons of truck safety problems in the world, and very frequently in low light ambience and intersection, a half to VRU fatalities. Our mission is to save more lives as we are on the right path regarding UN agreement and Japan's regulation of blind spot information system. We are leading the way in following Germany, UK, and Japan, and joint design very excellent solution in the market already. Please watch our video demonstration. Our turning blind spot assistance system is very sturdy and simple. The main part is a recognition unit and IR LED module inside this housing. Well, the mounting is still very easy to fix on both sides of the vehicle. You just only need to install these parts: camera system on the side of the car, LED indicator, monitor, G-mouse, MCU controller. Then you can have visual reminder like LED lights, warning UI on screen, and audio alarm from controller. The system's main function is to detect VRU objects and optional to vehicles. Even the objects are static or moving from any direction or partially blocked by a tree or bushes. It detects very well what the blind AI technology is. An output dual screen at the same time by only one camera unit to replace the side mirrors by using our solution. I know you can't wait to try it, right? And very useful warning method to automatically adjust the danger zone when turning. And perfect detection in low light ambient. You know, lots of accidents occur when driving rural roads. Without camera system, to open your eye in the dark. This is UI on the screen. It shows version and status. Also detection range, reference point, and rear end line for easier installation. And you will see the bars displayed at this area in the top view screen with different types and colors. For top view screen, detection range is 5 by 20 meters. Highlighted in red here. For mirror view screen, we refer to side mirror view angle. Let's see how it works. When the motorcycle comes in, you can see UI on screen and warning sound appears by different level of risk. Our turning blind spot could accurately detect objects even if it is partially be obscured, and it won't detect obstacles such as cones, waste box, or fence on the road. We define 3 different risk levels in danger zone. It will be enlarged warning range when turning, because accidents are always happens when turning. The risk is still very high even if you are very concentrated, but you don't see an object in the blind spot. We also prepare an option to lane changing warning function. The danger zone could be extended in high speed. We design not as LEDs around the camera lens, but a special mechanism module designed internally. It irradiates the detection range to ensure the system works properly in the dark and keep high accuracy SAM in the daytime. This system is passed with heavy rain and dense fog ambient test. They are very strict testing items. At final portion, we could offer additional ideas for surrounding blind spot detection solution for your reference. As we Chimei Motor Electronics is emphasized to the application development. We can also provide front camera system to implement moving off information and offer an idea for smart rear view system when parking and reversing the car. Based on our rich experience to commercialize the OTM product, we always can offer creative and foresight proposals for you. Wondering if we can have opportunity and see the future together? Please contact us for more information. I'm Kevin Lee. Much appreciated and thanks for your attention.
Hi everyone, this is Joe Wang. I'm currently acting as the CTO of Acer-ITS. I'm glad that I have this opportunity to introduce our company and our company products. Acting as a leading BB brand in Taiwan, Acer-ITS has devoted ourselves in the development of bus validating system for over 70 years. For the first introduction of our first generation bus validator in the year of 2004, we soon occupied the 17% of Taiwan bus validator market share. And in the year of 2011, our ticketing solution had added on the functionality that can support multiple cards, including the most popular cards in Taiwan, Easy Card, iPass card, and iCash cards. And in the year of 2014, we started to develop a system called Smart Parking Solutions. Smart Parking Solution will help the parking lot owner to collect parking fee for their parking lot. And in the year of 2016, we also developed a mobile app called PK Lot. This application can let the driver easily search for nearby parking lots with the cheapest parking fee. And also it can navigate the driver to the parking lot they selected. And also using the membership of this app, they can pay the parking fee using our app without any coin insertion for the APS. And the years of 2017, we developed a system called the Smart Roadside Parking. This roadside parking can help local governments collect the parking ticket in the roadside. And in the year of 2018, we won the award from the Tainan city government that they decide to use our smart parking meter solution on the roadside of Tainan cities. Currently, we have established 2,000 parking space in Tainan City for over 2 years. This BOT project also led the Tainan City government won award from our government, which is called the Golden Thumb Award. This is quite difficult for local government to acquire the recognition from the central government. And the years of 2019, we expand our normal bus validator, which only can accept store value cards, to add on the ability to accept mobile payment. In the year of 2020, we start to deploy those kind of solutions all around the Taiwan area. During 70 years of development in the ticketing system, we found that the simple payment is our goal. We not only want the transaction occurred on the bus or in any convenience store using the store value cards with highly secure transaction environment, but also very simple and easy way to use it. So we develop a lot of various type of front-end device that can be utilized in different kind of scenarios. We started from the public sectors that accepting store value cards like bus, like massive rapid transit, and also on the taxi. And then spread it these kinds of payment devices into private sector, like the parking lots, like theme park, exhibition hall, and also in the convenience store that utilize this kind of device to do the micro payment. And we also can put our devices on the vending machine so that all this kind of payment scenario can be fulfilled by single payment devices. For the next trend of smart transportation, we had foreseen that there are 4 trends that might occur. The first one is autonomous vehicles. The next one, Internet of Vehicles, and also 5G application mobility as a service. We would like our products to follow these 4 trends so that we have arranged our product development into these 4 kinds of categories so that our e-ticketing system can easily cope with the autonomous driving vehicle and the future e-vehicles environment. And also, the Internet of Vehicle can be implemented in our smart parking meters, since all the parking meter we install on the roadside, so it can easily be fixed into the infrastructure of the environment. And also, our PK Lots application can acting as the mobility as a service, as a kind of agent that can let the user of our applications easily utilize the function that we provide to the application. So all these kind of products we have developed so far, we have coped with these 4 trends of smart transportation in the future. As we all know, the e-ticketing solution is the crucial part of the next vehicle or autonomous vehicles. The benefit of e-ticketing is beyond description, that it can reduce cash risk acting as the identification device, and the transformation discount calculation can be used to let the government to send the transfer discount to the ordinary users. And also, the government can use the point calculation kind of method to oversee the subsidy give to social welfare so that they can control the budget of the social welfare that provide to the citizens. Among of these e-ticketing solutions, we think not only the validator itself is important, but also the system behind the front-end device and also the service provided by service provider are very important. So you can see on the screen that a complete e-ticketing solution contains a lot of different kinds of parts. The first part is cards or the mobile app. Different kinds of cards and different kinds of mobile app. Each one with different kinds of rules, and local car issuers utilize different kinds of rules to let the user use their cards. In order to let the front-end device accept different kinds of cards, the device must be flexible enough so it can easily be adjusted to different kinds of cards and easily develop different kind of business logic. So the card will provided by local issuers, and our front-end devices provided by our system can be easily modified and cooperate with the local issuers to obey the business rule that the local issuers require. And also, the front-end system will collect all the transactions that occur in the front-end devices and collect those information to the backend system that we provide. The backend system that can do clearance and settlement to the transactions, and finally send a report to the bank so the bank can transfer monies to the local acquiring stores or bus companies. So this is a very complex system, totally different from the bus environment, involved the technology that the fintech is the most important part, not the mechanical part of the bus. So in order to maintain these kinds of complex system, one company or the local company of bus operation must find an experienced provider or the device provider that will know what they need and the local car issuer needs, and combine all these two together to come out a fully functional e-ticketing solution. So our e-ticketing solution in Taiwan, currently we can acquire transaction amount over 6 billion transactions per year. And we currently can support over 85 million cards in Taiwan. And we have deployed over 10,000 validators in Taiwan area, which will make the 70% market share in Taiwan. And our validator can accept smart card over 4 different car issuers and also can accept 3 different mobile payment issuers. Of course, that the bus validator is the most important part in the e-ticketing systems. We had catered our old model, which only can accept store value cards, in a new generation of a bus validator. This new kind of design with an elegant outlook and also with a rapid replacement that we have developed especially for the bus environment. For the shaking environment on the bus, all the installed devices are easy to be damaged by the shaking of the bus. So it is very important when the bus departure for the customer taking, they have to check their device first. If the device were damaged, they have to replace the front-end device very quickly. So the rapid replacement is quite crucial to the bus validators. And this page will introduce the hardware of our bus validator. It can not only support store value cards and also accept mobile applications like Line Pay, like iCash Pay, ECC Pay, those kind of mobile applications. But in the end, I have to stress that e-ticketing system is not only focused on the bus validator itself. It's a complex system constituted of the front end, the middle end, and the back end. And most importantly, an e-ticketing solution provider must have ability to support all the service requests, all the modification requests from the bus operator. It is important that the bus operator finding an experienced SI like ours to come out their own e-ticketing systems. So that is what I want to introduce in this section. Thank you very much.